For making spring roll, we'll be needing garlic, spring onions, chicken, carrot, capsicum and some onion, grated cheese, sticker, spring roll sheets, red chili sauce and green chili sauce. In oil, add some garlic, some onion, saute it for 2 minutes. 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Add salt as per taste. Now add some capsicum, add some carrot, chicken, and some spring onion. Now add some cheese into the mixture and saute well. Our stuffing is ready. Now take spring roll sheets and put some stuffing. Now roll it and stick it with the sticker. Seal it from all the sides completely with the help of the sticker. See, it is sealed completely. In the same manner, I have rolled the other sticks also. Now it's ready to. Now we'll fry our spring rolls. You have to fry it till it's golden brown. Our yummy spring rolls are ready. See, it's looking so delicious. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.